Morning. I'm in Loch Carron. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and apart from I think 3 cars and 2 are just here now, that's pretty much all the signs of life I've seen already. It's 9 o'clock. It's absolutely stunning around here. Just stunning. I think I'd have missed a lot of this if I come in the car and toured it, but on the bike I'm having fun on the roads. Yeah, it's clean. It's, yeah, just loving it. And already I'm thinking I want to come back up here on the push bike and do it on there, which was the original plan. And from what I've seen already, I just want to carry on. I just want to come up here again. It's great. So last night I stopped in the tent and I was cold. It was really cold. So I'm going to weigh up the weather forecast, what it's like, and whether I camp again or whether I just try and find hostels or somewhere cheap accommodation. So we'll see how the week goes on. I think I've got past the worst of the weather. It's supposed to be raining today, but so you can see the clouds. I'm heading over in that direction. So yeah, it's pretty good. But the wind's coming from over here. So yeah, maybe a rain cloud. Might get caught in it. We'll see. But I think I'm going to be an hour, maybe an hour and a half, having a breakfast and getting ready, packing up, and before I set off again. So anyway, I found the cafe, the old butcher's coffee shop, and I'm just going to get something to eat. I'll see you later.
Alright, so there we have it. I'm just leaving the wee campsite in Loch Carron. It's a lovely little stay. Pitches are nice and flat. Toilet blocks and showers. That glazed window isn't that glazed if you're having a shower. Just thought I'd mention it. Anyway, not going to look in that direction because someone's in there. So Loch Carron, lovely. I'm back on the audio today because it's not raining, and if the audio's crap I'll just stick some nice music over the top. Little furry crash barindits for 3 miles. I have still not seen a little Highland cow. don't know if you can hear me, but I'm still on the Applecross peninsula bit that goes round. I've not yet joined the main road, but there are some sketchy roads around here. Well, hopefully they'll carry on so you can see what I'm dealing with, but there's some big steep drops, hairpins, and they just come one after another, and it's all wooded area like this, so you can't really see what's coming. Anyway, I'm going to click you back on and let's go. Where are we going? Torrington. 7 miles.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time